It's Iona at Wren House, going through 8 steps for collectively creating justice and harmony for all. Step 1 is to find our fondest dream, our calling, that which gives us meaning in our own life and that can do no harm, so that we can connect with others, to life itself, and to the grand mystery of being here in this world and in this soul body. The second step in the 8 steps that we're going to cover is to create from that fondest dream a vision. And a vision takes the dream from the abstract into the contextual, where we can conceive of how that dream can be turned into a vision. There's wonderful ways in which this can happen. And Walt Disney used 3 steps in the creative process. First is the freeform, dreaming, visioning, imagining. The second is the just getting in there and being logical about how to make the dream come true, how to bring the vision into reality. And the third step in the creative process, according to Disney and his way of looking at how to create something new and different, the third step is to take the critical lens and put it over top of the dream, the vision, and the imagining, and see if it will float, if it will actually be able to sustain itself. So in step 2 of the creative process, which contains 8 steps under the auspices of justice and harmony for all, we're looking at the idea of taking our fondest dream, our calling, our destiny, and turning it into a vision, something that we can actively imagine and see. See you for step 3 in a moment.